Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on our New Zealand dollar. We will go to the daily time frame and we will want to zoom it out to understand the trend. And you clearly can see that New Zealand dollar is clearly on a downtrend move. You clearly can see it, right? This is our low. This is also our lower high. This is the lower low here. Lower high. This is also the lower low. Lower high, as you might call it as equal lower high. Here comes the lower low. This is the lower high, lower low. Now the lower high is currently forming, which I believe we would form fully this week. Then another drop will also be happening this week on New Zealand dollar to our US dollar. So above all, our trend on New Zealand dollar to our US dollar is a downtrend. So let's go down to the forward time. This is kind of like a rejection, which is a supply zone. So there is a multiple rejection around here. There's also a multiple rejection around here. So with that being said, since market is failing to break above it, then we should be expecting a sell in this level here, drop down. So this week we should be expecting New Zealand dollar to give us a bearish move and drop to clear this low. This is what we'll be expecting this week. New Zealand dollar to drop and clear this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So just stay updated and follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in section.